Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make and bake potato cheese stuffed green chili. These green chilies are widely used in India in many dishes starting from snacks, curries, side dish and many more. They are not hot, even the children would like to eat them. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make potato cheese stuffed chilies. To make this recipe, I've got some large green chilies, wash and pat dry with a kitchen towel or tissue. First, let's prepare the stuffing. This is half a kilo boiled potato. Instead of boiling the whole potato, cut them into thin strips like this and boil. It will save your time. Always mash potatoes as soon as you boil them. It will be easy for you to mash it. Now add some cream cheese and give a mix. I'm adding half onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon of red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of ajwain, just crush and add them for extra flavor and it's very good for digestion. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 pinch of asafoetida powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's give it a really good mix. After mixing this properly, keep this aside. With a knife, make a slit along the length of the chili. Do not cut open fully. Remove the seeds and membrane with the help of a spoon. Likewise, I'll keep all the chilies ready. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now let's stuff the chilies with this potato cheese stuffing. If you have extra stuffing, just spread it on the bread and make some sandwich. Repeat until you stuff all the chilies and set it to one side. I'm going to wrap the chilies with the puff pastry sheets. So first let's cut them into thin strips. Now take a strip, start from the stem and wrap the whole chili as shown here. Cover the tray with a tin foil. After baking, just remove the foil. Your tray will remain clean. No need to wash them. Now let's arrange the stuffed chilies on the baking tray. Let's give an egg wash. This is 1 egg white, just whisk it and brush it on the pastry. One more option is you can also fry them in the oil. I've already preheated the oven. Now I'm going to bake at 200 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. Puff pastry is done, nice and crisp. Smells amazing. Serve them hot with some tomato ketchup. This one is a must-try recipe. Do share it with your family and friends and enjoy your treat. I hope you find this recipe useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.